And over in Clarendon, residents in Ainon Town are concerned about the state of the river in their community and are calling for the authorities to help them. Here's TVJ Shamela Mitchell.
The Ainon Town main road, which borders Clarendon and St. Anne, was impassable for hours due to flooding. Motorists were advised to use alternative routes. But even as some of the water has subsided, residents are worried.
I am so fed up of the situation. It's going on for quite a while now. People life at risk. The whole community suffer. Even myself as a farmer, I lose a lot of crops.
The residents complain that whenever the river is in spate, debris often block the river, which causes the flooding.
The people need to come up here now and clear the bridge because there are whole pile of luggage in the bridge. We block up the place and we need some work to clear it up and so on,
More rain.
And more rain to come, because just today just about the 7th, so the rain just began,
They want something done and soon.
Other communities getting all the attention. We need some more attention in Ainon Town. At this moment, I would mind if the government would come and address this matter urgently.
Meanwhile, Member of Parliament for Northern Clarendon, Horace Daly, says he's now assessing the situation. Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.